Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Bitcoin, everything you need to know. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that allows you to make peer-to-peer transactions without the need for a central authority like a bank. Created in 2009 by an unknown person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin has gained popularity as a form of investment and a means of payment. To use Bitcoin, you need a digital wallet where you can store your Bitcoins. You can buy Bitcoins through online exchanges or by accepting them as payment for goods and services. Each transaction is recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain, which ensures transparency and security. The value of Bitcoin can be volatile, so it's important to do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Despite its fluctuations, many people believe in the potential of Bitcoin as a revolutionary form of currency. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies.